This bird can sleep while flying. Scientists discovered that the Great Frigatebird can stay in the air for days without landing. But here's the terrifying part. While floating above the ocean at night, it shuts down half of its brain and falls asleep. One eye closes. The other stays awake to avoid crashing. That means this bird can rest while still gliding through the sky. Researchers tracked some frigate birds flying non-stop for more than 2 months. Sleeping, flying, surviving storms. Nature created a bird that barely needs to land at all.
Subscribe for more insane facts.